When seasoning your griddle, it's possible to put too much of a seasoning layer over the griddle surface. This can cause a heavy buildup. This buildup may look like rust, but is actually just oil that is not fully bonded with the griddle top. To fix this, you will need a griddle stone, paper towels, and some oil. First, you will need to heat your griddle on high for 10 minutes. This will help loosen up the excess seasoning. Once the top has been heated up, turn off the griddle and apply a small amount of oil and use your griddle stone to scrape away the extra seasoning. Then, use your paper towels to clear the surface. Repeat this process until the griddle top no longer has any spots of heavy seasoning buildup. If you don't have a griddle stone, you can also use a scraper in its place. For this method, you will follow all the same steps as you would for a griddle stone, just with a scraper held at the correct angle. That should make removing excess seasoning easier. Depending on how much seasoning you remove, you may need to re-season your griddle. For a tutorial on how to do that, check out our YouTube channel. For more information, contact our customer support team or find us at blackstoneproducts.com/support.